Hey guys, what's going on? Louis Profits here, and today's video we're going to talk about Paribus, which is a very solid project here. And as we can see right now, we've been having some good days, some good green days here, and of course that is usually followed by some down days. But with the whole correction with the market right now, Bitcoin is suddenly pumping back up. Yes, we're at 51k. We'll see what it is by the time this video is released. But we are at 51k right now in Bitcoin, and if we can break past that $53,750 resistance, then we could seriously keep going up from there. But that is right now, it doesn't really mean anything at this 51k. We need to break this 53,750 range on Bitcoin for us to really start being bullish again. Anyway, I want to talk about Paribus here. So as you see, we've gone all the way up to 4.1 cents, sorry, and right now we're at 1.7 cents still. We obviously have a lot of room right now, and this is obviously a very good buy point. And with what this project does, I'm going to be comparing it with Aave, because Aave to me is quite a similar project to Paribus. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. You can lend against your NFTs, which is just insane to me. So you can borrow against your investment, freeing up your capital while underlying NFT appreciates in value. So you can get the money for your NFT while still keeping that NFT, and then you have that capital still to use whilst you still have that NFT, which is just crazy. And then obviously there's staking, which is literally around the corner, so you can get the high yields on your NFT assets as well. So NFT staking with Paribus is huge. So yeah, I just wanted to briefly mention what is going on. So as we can see here, about a week ago, they did say what's going to be happening. So this week, so this is what's already happened as of recording this video. This would have already happened as well. So the full hacking club, report next week, which is an audit. So Paribus has now been audited, so now we know it's safe to use, kind of hacker proof. They've been finalizing lots of partnerships they've been doing, which is great. They've been listed on more exchanges. Every time I go on their Twitter, I just see there's more listings on different exchanges every single day, which is just amazing for Paribus. Obviously, we need to spread this adoption as far as we can. The more the better, more people can purchase it. I think it was on a South Korean exchange, a Korean exchange, so available is now to buy Paribus as well. And then next week, so this would have already happened when you've watched this video as well, they will have a staking announcement. They'll have their NFT and Metaverse article, and obviously the video test contest winners, which are $1,000 in Paribus, which is mentioned up here. As you can see, we're grateful for the excellent participation with our first Paribus intro video. Today we are announcing the community members who will receive $1,000 reward in PBX. So of course you'll be getting it in PBX tokens, which is better. I wouldn't ask for it any other way. I'd much rather get it in PBX tokens. So now if we compare it to Aave here, obviously not the same supply or anything like that. We're just talking strictly market cap here. If PBX could reach Aave's market cap, and by the way, PBX is under like a $10 million market, $20 million market cap or something like that. So if we could reach Aave's market cap, that would mean 114x from what the price is right now at a $1.95 price for PBX, which would be absolutely massive. And I really can see this being possible, not in the short term, but it could definitely be possible once Cardano's decentralized apps are completely finished and ready. We could seriously be seeing this take off. And I'm seeing a lot of people that are talking about PBX. It is growing on Twitter more and more and more. I know that doesn't mean too much, but it's being spoken about more, and that is always a positive thing. You can't mark that down as a negative thing at all in my books. So that is now it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button. It really does help me out. And yeah, thank you.